The polar bear, known scientifically as Ursus maritimus, is one of the most majestic creatures found in the Arctic regions. It is often referred to as the king of the Arctic because of its strength, resilience, and ability to survive in one of the harshest environments on Earth. Polar bears are not only powerful hunters but also symbols of the delicate balance of nature in the polar ecosystem. Polar bears are the largest land carnivores on Earth. An adult male can weigh between 400 and 700 kilograms, while females are smaller, weighing about half as much. Their thick, white fur and a dense layer of fat beneath the skin help them stay warm in temperatures that can drop below -40 degrees Celsius. Though their fur looks white, each hair is actually transparent and hollow, reflecting light to give the bear its snowy appearance. Beneath the fur, their skin is black, which helps absorb and retain heat from the sun. These bears are excellent swimmers and are considered marine mammals because they spend much of their lives on sea ice and in the water. They have large, powerful paws that act like paddles, allowing them to swim for hours in search of food. Polar bears mainly feed on seals, especially ringed and bearded seals. They rely heavily on sea ice as a platform for hunting, waiting patiently near breathing holes to catch seals when they surface for air. The life of a polar bear is closely tied to the rhythm of the Arctic seasons. During the long winter, they roam vast distances over frozen seas. In summer, as the ice melts, they often move to the land or swim long distances in search of remaining ice floes. This seasonal movement is essential for their survival, but climate change is rapidly affecting their habitat. As global warming causes sea ice to melt earlier and form later each year, polar bears are forced to travel farther and expend more energy to find food. This has made survival increasingly difficult for many of them. Female polar bears have a unique and careful way of raising their young. After mating in spring, a pregnant female builds a den in the snow during autumn. Inside this warm shelter, she gives birth to 1 to 3 cubs, usually in December or January. The mother stays in the den throughout the harsh winter, living off her stored fat and nursing her cubs. When spring arrives, she emerges with her young, teaching them how to hunt and survive in the icy wilderness. The bond between a mother and her cubs is strong, and she protects them fiercely from dangers until they are old enough to live on their own. Polar bears are solitary animals, except during mating season or when mothers are with cubs. They have an incredible sense of smell, allowing them to detect seals nearly a kilometer away or under thick layers of ice. Despite their strength, polar bears are gentle in behavior and less threatened. They play an important role in the Arctic ecosystem by maintaining the balance between predator and prey. Unfortunately, the future of polar bears is uncertain. Climate change, pollution, and industrial development are shrinking their habitat and reducing their food supply. Many polar bears are now forced to come closer to human settlements in search of food, leading to dangerous encounters. Conservation efforts are being made globally to protect these magnificent animals through wildlife protection laws, reducing greenhouse gas emissions, and preserving their natural environment. In conclusion, the polar bear is a symbol of endurance and adaptability in one of the most extreme environments on Earth. Its life reflects the beauty and fragility of nature itself. Protecting the polar bear means protecting the Arctic and ensuring the health of our planet's ecosystem. If humanity acts with care and responsibility, the king of the Arctic can continue to roam the icy wilderness for generations to come.